I actually got this a gift, and honestly I didn't expect much, but this photo paper surprised me. First thing notice its tires almost instantly. No smugglers, no smearing. Even when I print full color pictures with a lot of detail, the surface has that clean, glossy finish that makes colors pop, and it works perfectly with my regular inkjet printer, nothing fancy. Another thing I like is that it doesn't curl after printing, so the photos stay flat and looks professional. Since it's single-sided, I always know which way to load it, and there's no watermark or logo on the back, so I can write notes if I need to. If you print photos at home, greeting cards, or little DIY designs, this bag is honestly super reliable. For something I didn't even buy myself, it ended up being way more useful than I expected.